Morning guys, hope you're all having a good start to the week. Outside today it doesn't really look that clever. However, the clouds are moving quite quickly with all the rain that we've had this morning, and I think it's supposed to clear up this afternoon, so that should be good for me and Jordan to go out there and actually play a full round, although it will be quite wet out there as it was yesterday. I haven't been to the gym this morning, because I'm actually I'm aching quite a lot actually, which is not, well, quite unusual for myself really, especially as I've take that proteins shake. So in terms of what I'm going to do this morning, I'm going to do a quick putting drill before I meet up with Jordan this afternoon. As my putting wasn't really that good yesterday, so I'm going to do the 2 foot, 4 foot, 6 foot, 8 foot, 10 foot drill. So that means that there's going to be a tee peg at each of those distances, and I'm going to hit 2 balls from each, and it has to all be in a row. So it'd be 2 balls from 2 foot, 2 from 4 foot, 2 from 6 foot, etc. right the way to the end. So that's 10 balls, and they all need to go in one after the other. If I miss one, say if I get to the last one and I miss it, then I have to start again. So it's quite a grueling drill, but it feels quite rewarding at the end once you've done it. Now this drill could take me 5 minutes, it could take me an hour and a half. Now hopefully I'll be able to do it in less than an hour and a half, because obviously I'm going to be playing with Jordan, and also it could rain as well, which isn't great. So that's what I'm going to do this morning, and then we'll go out on the course and we'll play 18, and we'll just have a bit of fun and also work on what I've been doing. So I will keep the videos coming, and I will post them up on with this video, okay? Right, I've just got into the clubhouse before it lashed it down with rain. After doing that putting drill, it took me 15 minutes and 26 seconds to do, which is a good time, don't get me wrong, it's a very good time, because it has taken me 2 hours to do, and what it does to your mind is beyond unbelievable, to be honest. So that's a good time. Now what I want you guys to do is have a go at it yourself, and I want you to let me know in the comments below, and see how you got on. In the meantime, myself and Jordan are going to have lunch, and then we're going to wait for a bit of a break in the weather, because at the minute it's absolutely teeming down with rain. And and then we'll go out there and play, and we'll have a bit of fun. We'll do some trick shots for you, and we'll get them all up on this video for you, so watch this. You can see it as well. There it is! There it is! You zoomed in. Yeah. More, he needs to get a lot of wind. Here. Yeah. Happy, happy, happy. Guys, myself and Jordan have been out on the course today. We only managed to do 9 holes because the weather didn't allow for us to do 18. It was just raining horribly. But about 2:30 there was a break in the clouds, so we managed to get out there and do 9 holes. It was just a bit of fun today, to be honest. And we've done quite a few trick shots, as you've already seen. So yeah, we just had a bit of fun today, doing a few different things, and I hope you liked what we did and what I've managed to compile together. As for today, there isn't really a lot of things that I could have got up to because of the weather. The plan for tomorrow is I'm going to go to the gym in the morning, and then I'll probably do a range session. But I'm not planning to do much golf tomorrow really. It's just going to be a chill out day. But I'll keep you informed. I will still post a video. So have a good evening, and I'll see you tomorrow.